Hi everyone. Today's topic, let's learn any subject first. How to learn almost any topic first. Now we are going to follow 5 steps. The first step is step 1, defining the target, and step 2, learn the vital 20%. Step 3, recall and explain. And third step, you have to recall immediately. Step 4, apply immediately. Fifth, fix and repeat with spacing. Fix your weak points and review at the spacing points. Okay. We are using learn, recall, apply, fix loop method. Okay. Rather than spending most of your time in reading, the fast learning method is nothing but first you have to define your target, decide exactly what you want to able to do. Learn, if you want to learn economics, it's too broad, so you have to understand the supply and demand well enough to solve any introductory problems is actionable. Now build a 20-minute map. Skim one good overview and identify the 5 to 10 core ideas and vocabulary prerequisites and how they connect. Don't try to memorize it. Then the vital 20%. Focus first on the concepts that explain many other concepts. Ignore obscure details until you actually need them. Close the material and recall. Close the material and recall. Step 3. We are going to come learn step 3 now. Ignore the obscure details until you actually need them. After 10 to 15 minutes of studying, stop looking and write or say everything you remember. Then check what you missed. This is active recall and it's much more useful than repeatedly rereading. Explain it simply. Pretend you are teaching someone with no background. If you can't explain why something works without hiding behind jargon, you have to find a gap. Apply immediately, do problems, build something, analyze the examples, answer them, practice the questions, or make predictions. Application exposes misunderstanding that passive studying can hide. Fix only the gaps. Go back to the source specifically for things you couldn't recall. Explain or apply. Then test yourself again. Now space your reviews. Step 4. You are going to understand step 4 and step 5 repeatedly. Revisit the material roughly after 1 day or 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, emphasizing retrieval rather than rereading. A productive 60-minute session might be 10 minutes mapping and 20 minutes learning and 10 minutes close. So you have to book all the recalls and minimum problems and application, correcting the mistakes. The biggest speed boost is changing your question from how much material have you consumed and what can I reproduce or do without looking. See, again I am explaining the step 1, defining and plus one. It's nothing but it's a magnifying glass. Know exactly what you need to do. Second step, learn the vital 20%. Highlighting 3 big concepts out of 20. Skip the fluff. Step 3, recall 3D. See, you have to close the book with revive the book in the form of brain. Write what you remember, no peeking. Step 4, apply and fix. See, doing problems and fixing gaps. Test it, fix only what you broke. Step 5, space your reviews and what can I reproduce without looking. Okay? See, after all this, step 5, space your reviews is day 1, day 2, day 7. Same method to be followed. What can I reproduce without? That is more important. Okay? Know step 1 again and we are explaining know what to do. Step 2, learn the vital 20, skip the fluff. Step 3, recall close book right from your memory. Step 4, applying and fixing, do problems and fix gaps. Step 5, space your reviews at first day, third day, 7th day, 14 days. It is really perfect for students, creators and anyone who wants to learn 2x faster. I'm going to explain even the steps to learn any subject fast even in Hindi. किसी भी विषय को तेजी से कैसे सीखें. Learn any subject fast. फर्स्ट लक्ष्य निर्धारित करें. डिफाइन द टारगेट. अर्थ मतलब क्या है, आप क्या सीखना चाहते हैं इस बारे में पूरी तरह स्पष्ट रहें. मुख्य बातें विशिष्ट बने. एक लक्ष्य सेट करें. यह समझे कि सफलता मिलने पर परिणाम कैसा दिखेगा. स्टेप 2 महत्वपूर्ण 20% हिस्सा सीखें। उन सबसे महत्वपूर्ण विचारों पर ध्यान केंद्रित करें जो अधिकांश भाग को स्पष्ट करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बातें और सिद्धांत नियम से पढ़ना चाहिए। मुख्य बातें, मुख्य अवधारणाओं को, की कॉन्सेप्ट्स की पहचान करें। अनावश्यक चीज़ों को छोड़ दें, इग्नोर द अननेसेसरी टॉपिक्स। एक मजबूत आधार बनाइए। याद करें, स्टेप 3 याद करें और समझाइए। रिकॉल एंड एक्सप्लेन। किताब बंद करें और सब कुछ याद करके उस सरल भाषा में समझाइए। इस स्पेसिफिक बातें क्या है, मुख्य बातें सक्रिय रूप में याद करें। एक्टिव रिकॉल, जोर से बोलकर सिखाइए। टीच इट आउट लाउड, अपनी कमियों का पता लगाइए। स्टेप 4 अप्लाई इमीडिएटली, तुरंत लागू करें। समस्याओं को हल करें, उदाहरण को विश्लेषण करें या कुछ नया बनाएं। मुख्य बातें अभ्यास या प्रैक्टिस करें। वास्तविक उदाहरण को, रियल एग्जाम्पल्स का उपयोग करें करके सीखें। लर्न बाय डूइंग समथिंग बिग विथ रियल एग्जाम्पल। स्टेप 5 सुधारें करें और अंतराल के साथ दोहराइए। फिक्स एंड रिपीट विथ स्पेसिंग। अपनी कमजोरियों को सुधारें और तय अंतराल पर दोबारा रिवीजन करें। यही मुख्य बात है कि केवल कमियों को सुधारने के लिए वापस जाएं। हम 5वीं स्टेप दिन 1, 1 दिन, 2 दिन और 1 हफ्ते और 2 हफ्ते के अंतराल पर रिवीजन करें। रिव्यू ऑन 1 डे, 3 डे, 1 वीक, 2 वीक्स और खुद का दोबारा परीक्षण। टेस्ट योरसेल्फ अगेन। कम अध्ययन करें लेकिन अधिक सीखें। याद रखें, रिकॉल, अप्लाई या रिपीट करने से सफल हो सकता है। धन्यवाद। Again, I have explained you 5 simple steps to learn smarter, not harder. See, learning smarter is important, not hard with hard work. If you learn smartly, the productive and the result will be very effective. So, firstly, step 1 is to define the target and be clear about what you want to learn. And what you are going to learn, it should be very specific, and you should also set a goal and know what success look like. And coming to the step 2, learn the vital 20%. Means focus on the most important ideas that explain the most. Means we are focusing only on the key concept, identifying the key concepts and ignoring the unnecessary. And building a strong foundation is most important and most significant, because what you are going to learn, you should understand firstly the concept. Without understanding, you cannot reach. It will not reach anyone. Now coming to the step 3, recall and explain. Recalling is most important. Close the book and recall everything, then explain it simply. You could use active recall method, and already I have explained the active recall method. Teach it aloud. You could teach to others. It will make you recall and explain easily. If you explain to others, it will make you still easy while preparing for exams or any others. Find your gaps, means what you have left over. You should be very confident and clear. Again, where should I recall and where I did explain. So that helps you to prepare well and give a great attempt in the examinations. And step 4 is apply immediately. You should also have a problem. Analyzing the problems and giving live examples and build something. Doing a great practice daily with real examples. You should also learn by doing, practice and by implementing. So all this to be followed. Fix and repeat, space with space. Step 5, fix and repeat with spacing. Fix your weak points and review at space. It will go back only for gaps. Review on 1 day, 3 days and 1 week, 2 weeks. Again, test yourself. Again, study less, learn more, recall, apply, repeat.